Hi, today I will be showing you how to use Carapace. This is a software developed by Epic Games to assist with perspective grids. It works with any drawing software, and let's begin by downloading it. Epic Games doesn't provide an official download anymore, but I have uploaded it to my Google Drive so you can download it. Just click on the corner and it will download the file for you. It might say the file is dangerous, but you don't need to worry about that. Just click on keep and then open the file. You will need a file manager for zip files, but no, don't worry about that. I already have it on my desktop and I will click on replace. Then I can just minimize this and there it is. When you open Carapace, it will have this blank canvas in here. And to begin, you can press 1 and 2. It will place 2 perspective points, and you can press H to draw a horizon line between them. You can also press the middle button of your mouse to move around, or use the scroll to zoom in and out. And to select the perspective point, you can just press 1 and it will place it where your cursor is if you hold 1 or 2. But I do recommend using the horizon line because it will make them straight and perfectly aligned. Then to integrate it with an already existing Photoshop project, for example this little doodle I did in here, you will do a Ctrl A and then Ctrl Shift C to copy everything, and you will paste it on Carapace. This will allow you to see your characters and align the perspective points in a way that you find more pleasing. And as you can see in here, there are too many lines, and to adjust that, all you need to do is press the arrow keys on your keyboard. So I'm going to use less lines and here too. And then I'm going to use the edge for the horizon line. If you want your perspective points to be unaligned, for example like this, don't do it in here. Use the horizon line and then you copy this by pressing Ctrl C and paste it on your project. So if you'd like to change the horizon line, you can just do a Ctrl T and rotate this and make it a little bigger. Or you can rotate the entire canvas. And this does a much better effect than if you had done this by hand. But as you can see, the perspective lines are opaque with a white background. Just change the blending mode for multiply and it will make it transparent. Other than doing these changes, you can also make a slightly fish eye perspective by going to filter and lens correction. And here you will go to custom and remove distortion. You will move this slider outwards or inwards if you'd like to have a different perspective depending on what you're doing. Then I'm going to make it multiply, and as you can see I have a very strong fish eye in here. Just as an example, this was a project where I did use Carapace with the slight fish eye lens, and in here you can see the layer for the Carapace perspective grid, and if I change it to normal you can see the lines way easier. This software should work with any drawing software, and some keybinds may vary and may be different. If you're using a different software and the keybinds are different, please leave a comment so other people can also use Carapace with their favorite software. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions that I might be able to answer, just leave a comment too. And bye!